Since becoming a commissioner in 2007, I have been actively lobbying for funding to expand our harbor facilities and operations. Over the years, as vessels continue to get bigger and as stakeholders want improved facilities, it became clear that we needed to elevate our harbor facilities and expand what we offer to the everyday users. Winston Churchill once said, and I quote, "Never let a good crisis go to waste." This was the case in 2017 when we were hit by Hurricanes Irma and Maria. This allowed us to establish our greatest argument, that was that Saba needed a hurricane-resilient, future-proof harbor. Since then, we have been able to secure over $40 million, which will be used for our harbor developments. Initially, the plan focused on investing the funds here at Fort Bay. After some extensive studies, it became clear that any expansions around this area would be extremely costly and technically very difficult, especially to make the new structures hurricane resilient. The water surrounding the existing piers become very deep very quickly, and as you can see, the on-land topography offers its own unique challenges, which further complicated any expansions here at Fort Bay. It is because of this that we started to investigate the area by the Black Rocks. Based on all the studies and the relevant tests, it is clear that this area is more suitable for an expanded, future-proof, and hurricane-resilient harbor. Recently, a contract was signed with our engineering firm, Witteveen and Boss from the Netherlands, to start writing the tender documents. We are also very active right now in securing the necessary building permits so that we can make a start. We would all like to see this project start as soon as yesterday. However, it is important that we do this project the right way the first time. This will be the biggest singular project in our history, and the amount of funding that we have secured will probably not be available again anytime soon. So this is a project that we simply cannot rush. It has to be done the right way the first time. We have, however, already made some significant steps in preparation for the execution of the project. The properties have been secured and a dirt road to the location has already been built. We have also developed plans that will ensure that the Fort Bay Harbor will play a fundamental role in our operations, as it will become the main cargo port for Saba. Already in January, the surface of the Captain Leo Chance Pier will be resurfaced and new bollards will be installed. There are also plans to widen the ro-ro ramp so that we can accommodate larger cargo ships. The harbor basin will be dredged, a cargo warehouse will be built, and the container storage yard will be expanded. These investments are all part of the master plan for creating a future-proof, safe, and hurricane-resilient harbor for the people of Saba.